Darling, you have puppies. We have puppies. Oh, they're so cute. I decided to name this one Balto. Coco. Silver. And, that one's a real dog. What should we call it? Jessica. I like that name. 2 weeks later. I'm gonna get you. Oh no, you won't. Oh, it's just so cute together. I know. Just like Peter. Okay, so I'm gonna go hunting. Just take a little hunt trip, or I guess I could just take a look at a house. There's something wrong if I need to. Oh gosh. We got company. What kind of company? I can devour our puppies. I'm on it. Actually, I'm gonna call this one Pip. That's Jessica. This was what Pip saw through his eyes. Mommy, sibling, everyone. He saw a deer. He saw his dad. Pip could see everything. Went to bed that night. Thought of what he all could see, everything he could see. Splinter was worried about that. She went to go talk to him, but Pip was asleep. She walked away and went up to where I was. We both fell asleep. We woke up in the morning, and Pip was still sleeping. Again, Pip could see this through his eyes. You want to play? Jessica? Oh, sure. These dog pups. Okay. Pip, we eat first. Because we're wolves. You're a dog. Yep, he is a dog. Last time I checked. It's okay. It's okay, bro. It's gonna be fine. That's what you say, Balto. This is what Balto saw. Balto saw this. But when everyone else is turning and tumbling back, there are only bones left. Pip was the runt, and that's what he would always be. Frostbite was very worried about this. So was the mother. They decided to make Scout a watchdog. They put him at top base every morning with Frostbite. He enjoyed that life, but he wanted something more. Something unique, something no dog or wolf has ever done before. But he didn't know this job was going to get him where he is today.